This is Geometry Lesson 7.4, Dilations. So in this lesson, our new transformation is a stretch. So if you think about when your pupils dilate, what that means is they're actually getting bigger. They're stretching. We have two different ways to do dilations. You can stretch larger, but you can also get smaller too. And so a dilation with a magnitude greater than 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to make it bigger. And if your magnitude is less than 1, it'll actually get smaller. So if you multiply by a decimal, 0.5, 0.3, point anything. So to do our first dilation, we have our rectangle here. Let's get the coordinates of that rectangle. A is 1 to the right and 2 up, 1, 2. B is 3 to the right, 1 up, 3, 1. C is 1 to the right and 3 down. And D is 1 to the left and 2 down. To perform a dilation, what we do is multiply every one of those coordinates. Since we're dilating by the magnitude 3, we're going to multiply everything by the number 3. So 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, 1 times 3, 1 times 3, negative 3 times 3, negative 1 times 3, and negative 2 times 3. If we multiply all of those together, then we can plot all those points. So our new A would be at 3, 6. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here is our new A. New B is 9 to the right and 3 up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 over, and 1, 2, 3 up. Here is our new B. C would be 3 to the right and 9 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down. And our new D would be 3 to the left and 6 down. And we will connect our points A to B, B to C, C to D, and D back to A. And we should see that we have a rectangle in the exact same orientation, same position as before, but it got bigger. Our next example wants us to dilate by magnitude 0.5. So this one doesn't tell us the rule, but to dilate what we do is multiply. So we're going to do a half times x and a half times y. Let's record the coordinates of all of the points on this figure. A looks like it's 2 to the right and 8 up. B is 2 to the right and 2 down. C is 5 to the left and 2 down. And D is, what is that, 5, 6, 7, 8 up. All right, 8 to the left, and then 4 up. So to dilate this, we're going to multiply every one of those values by a half. Half of 2 is 1, half of 8 is 4, half of 2 is 1, half of negative 2 is negative 1, half of negative 5 is negative 2.5, half of negative 2 is negative 1, half of negative 8 is negative 4, and half of 4 is 2. So we can plot all of these points from the origin. 1, 4 is 1 right, 4 up. Here's my new A. 1, negative 1 is 1 right, 1 down. So here's my new B. Negative 2.5, negative 1 means 2.5 to the left, and then 1 down. So here is my new C. And D is negative 4, positive 2. Here is the new D. A to B, B to C, C to D, and D back to A. And that looks to me like the same shape, it just got smaller. That is it for the dilations. Please let me know if you have any questions, and good luck with the exercises.